Pepper Strings friends. Today we're going to talk about how to put your bow on the string and make a good sound. So here we go. First step is to find your really good bow hold. So you've got your pinky on top, nice and bent, two middle fingers draped over, first finger over the grip or the winding, and a nice bent thumb. You can check your spyglass. And then once you've got that good bow hold, you set up your instrument and float your bow up in the air. And then we want to start by landing our bow right about halfway. You have a yellow tape to show you where the halfway point is approximately on your bow. When we start our bow, we want our bow to be pretty close to the bridge. We do not want our bow to be over the fingerboard. That's where your fingers go. So we just want over by the bridge. Once we've got our bow on the string in the middle, we're going to also make sure that our bow is parallel to that bridge. If it's like this, or if it's like this, we won't have a good contact with the string, and so that will cause us to not be able to make a good sound. So once we've got our bow parallel to the bridge, we check that our fingers are still in the right place, our thumb is still bent, everything is nice and loose, and then we always are going to start with a pull. So we want to pull our bow, open up our gate out towards the tip of the bow first. And we're going to start with some pepperoni pizzas. I'm going to do 10 pepperoni pizzas. You can do them with me. Here we go. Ready, go. We have our 10 pepperoni pizzas, and if you want an exciting way to practice your pepperoni pizzas at home, you can go to my YouTube playlist called Fun Videos and find the one titled Hard Hip Hop Rap Instrumental / Beat, and that one works really well with the pepperoni pizza rhythm, and if you play an A with it, it goes along and it makes it a little bit more fun to practice your pepperoni pizza. So I'm going to put that video on in the background and I'll show you how they line up. Pepperoni pizza. So that's a fun thing to do. And then the last thing I'm going to show you to try and help you keep your bow really straight, it's really important that we don't open our bow from our upper arm here. If we open like this, we can't keep our bow straight. So we have to relax our elbow and pull and push our bow from the elbow joint. And sometimes it's a little bit tricky to remember when you're trying to remember everything else that you need to use the elbow instead of this upper part of the arm. So to help your arm out, to help it learn where that muscle is, where that joint is, you can set yourself up, I've got my file cabinet here, but you can set yourself up against a wall and you can put your back against a wall, put your instrument up and then just turn your body until that upper part of your arm is against the wall. So you're not going to turn like 180 degrees. It's going to be like 45 to 90 degrees, just so that your upper arm here is against the wall. And then once your upper arm is against the wall, it helps you. It's hard for me to do this because I picked the wrong side. There, now you can kind of see my upper arm. It helps you to keep your upper arm still while you open and close that elbow and practice keeping your bow nice and straight. Hope that helps you with your bow. Have a great day.